Pakistani Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, Ahsan Iqbal said that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has given many dividends and benefits to Pakistan, especially the much-needed foreign direct investment to overcome its energy crisis. The minister made the remarks while addressing a seminar titled, CPAC, a Catalyst for the Economic Development of Pakistan, on Wednesday. The minister said that, from an energy-deficient to energy self-reliant country, the transition would not have been possible without CPAC investment.
The two bottlenecks we faced at that time were energy. There was an acute power crisis in the country. Without energy, you cannot have a modern economy. Modern economy, energy or electricity is like oxygen is for human life. Secondly, you also need physical infrastructure for economy. Our infrastructure was in shambles. So CPAC has given many dividends and benefits to Pakistan. First and foremost is it provided the much needed foreign direct investment that Pakistan needed to overcome its energy crisis. Secondly, CPAC has provided us the strategic critical investment to modernize our infrastructure.
The seminar was organized by the China-Pakistan Study Center at the Institute of Strategic Studies Islamabad.